Here's how to delete labels in Gmail in 2026 using your browser. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. At the top right, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Inside Settings, click the Labels tab at the top. Here you'll see all system labels and any custom labels you've created. Scroll down to the label you want to remove. On the right side, click Remove. Gmail will confirm that the label will be deleted. This does not delete your emails. It only removes the label. Click Delete to confirm. Your label is now permanently removed. And that's it. Your Gmail labels are now clean and organized.